The verb we'll study today is the verb lograr. It belongs to the group of verbs finished in ar. It's a regular verb, which means the root is the same for all the pronouns. This is the root of lograr. To conjugate this verb in present simple, just add the ending to the root according to the pronoun you'll use, and that's it. Let's see. Yo logro. Tú logras. Vos lográs. Usted logra. Él logra. Ella logra. Nosotros logramos. Nosotras logramos. Vosotros lográis. Vosotras lográis. Ustedes logran. Ellos logran. Ellas logran. If you don't remember all the pronouns or don't understand something about them, you can have a review in the video I have about that topic. I'll let you the link in the description box. Lograr means to reach a goal or to be able to do something. Let's see some examples. Lograr una meta. To achieve a goal. Lograr el éxito. To succeed or to be successful. Lograr entender. To be able to understand. If you want to read the original articles, I'll put the links in the description box. Remember, the translations of the sentences I'm giving you aren't necessarily literal. They're used to help you understand the general meaning, but they aren't a word-by-word translation. If you didn't understand something about this verb, please let me know it in the comments below, and I'll make sure to answer and clear up your doubts. Hello, my name is Paola Nieto, and I'm here to help you with your goal, to learn Spanish. If this video was helpful, please give it a like. If you have any question about the subject or any suggestion, even about my English, don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel to be aware of the content we upload. And don't forget, we have a website where you can find more content to practice Spanish. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!